All right, I been waiting to get one of these a while. They've been sold out, just like all the webcams and microphones during the pandemic. They've been pretty hard to come by. So um, this got delivered, and this box is pretty messed up. So gonna go ahead and open it. Hopefully, it's not messed up inside. But yeah, thank you, Best Buy. Um, let's see what we got. Doesn't look too promising there. Oh, smells nice. Oh yeah, it's gonna be all right, I think. All that foam. Huh. Junk. Oh man, that is way heavier than I thought it would be. Oh, cool. Oh boy, this is exciting. I'm gonna have killer audio now. Making all these boring computer training videos that nobody's watching, but at least they'll sound nice. And that is literally all that's in the box in this thing. I mean, just a plug-in cable and the microphone. I mean, I didn't even attempt to put instructions in. Hello 2020. All right, well, that's what you get in the box of the Blue Yeti X. I really wanted this one over the more traditional one because I wanted to be able to control the gain from here. That way, when my kids are screaming in the background, I could just tune them out if I'm on a conference call. But anyway, hope that helps. Like and subscribe.